Hi everyone, I welcome you all again in this tutorial. We have come up with Arduino's coding along with the interfacing. So we'll learn how to interface a potentiometer to control the brightness of an LED with Arduino Uno board. So first of all, let's start with the connections. So here you can see that I have used a potentiometer using a breadboard. Potentiometer has 3 terminals. One of the terminals is attached with the ground, one of the terminals is attached with VCC or the power. The third terminal, mid one, is attached with the signal, which is actually given as the analog signal, and that is connected to the A0 pin of the Arduino Uno board. Then I have used another this connection for providing 5-volt VCC from this side of the Arduino board to the breadboard. Okay, and then here again a simple circuit, LED is positive is connected with this digital output of 9th pin, so it is connected to the 9th output pin, and the negative side is attached with the resistor, which is 220 ohm, and this 220 ohms another side is attached with the negative side of the ground. Basically here it is connected with ground through the Arduino Uno board. So this is all about the connection, and let's start doing the programming. Okay, so we'll learn about the code. Okay, so this you can see that with this connection, when the port is attached, already the LED is glowing. So now I'll show you the code and then we will move towards the working. Okay, so this is the code for this project, and here we declared first of all the pot pin. Okay, initially we will declare about the pot pin. Now because it takes integer value, so we have declared it as integer int data type. Pot pin is connected with A0, so analog input pin connected to the potentiometer. Next is int pot value equal to 0, because value that will be read from the potentiometer, initially it will be put at 0. Okay, and when you will vary it, because potentiometer is again something which gives you various potentials. Okay, or maybe we can say it gives you it's a kind of variable resistor only, which changes the resistance, and ultimately potential gets changed. Okay, so you have to vary it, so according to the range it will be reading the value. Then comes the LED declaration. We will again use the data type as int. LED, it is connected to the 9th pin. Okay, and it is capable of providing PWM signal. Okay, PWM, pulse width modulation. So whenever we want to use PWM output, so we always connect it through Arduino's 3rd, 5th, 6th, 9th, 10th and 11th pin. Okay, so these are basically pins meant for getting PWM output. Then we declared void setup. We know that whenever we write anything inside setup, it is only for running it once. Okay, so pin mode, we declared output for LED, which is set as 9th pin. Then we will start with the loop, which should run continuously. Okay, so for loop, potentiometer value will be reading as analog read pot pin, whatever value, as you will be rotating the potentiometer, accordingly the value will be set. And then analog write LED potential value, pot value, divide by 4. So it is actually dividing whatever value throughout the range you are rotating. Okay, the terminal of the potentiometer, it is getting divided by 4, and then you introduce delay of 10 milliseconds. So let's see how it works. Okay, so here is the circuit, and let me change. So I'm going to control the brightness of this LED using this potentiometer. So I'm rotating this knob of potentiometer. So when I'm rotating it, see, it is dimming and getting off, and when I'm moving it from left to right, it is showing the high or peak value of the brightness or intensity through the LED. Okay, bright light can be seen. So this is basically resistance value gets changed, and accordingly the potential gets established there, and accordingly as per the voltage range we get the brightness. Okay, so we can control the brightness of this LED using this potentiometer. And as in the code, the main thing is like the range is getting divided, pot value is getting divided by 4, and accordingly the LED can be controlled. So this is all about learning the interfacing with Arduino and controlling LED using a potentiometer. I hope you enjoyed this video, you learned through this video. We will meet you in the next session. Thank you.